Welcome to Kiss and Kids!
In the playground, kids laugh and run. Sun is shining, having fun. Suddenly comes a playful monkey, jumping high, oh so funky. Swinging here, swinging there, monkey flips up in the air. Kids clap hands, giggle loud, try to copy her funny crowd. Fruits fly from tree to ground, monkeys antics all around. Funny faces, silly sounds, laughter spreads across the playground. Jumping over slides and sand, monkeys' fun is never planned. Kids try to jump, spin and hop, giggles and chuckles never stop. Monkey grabs a hat, wears it wrong. Kids laugh, singing a song. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, monkey dances to the beat. Taking swings, sliding down, monkeys fun all over town. Kids chase, try to mimic too, learning fun things they can do. Peekaboo with creeple grin, monkey rolls a ball within. Throwing fruits gently in the air, kids catch some with utmost care. Funny faces, silly squeaks, monkey jumps and touches peaks. Kids laugh, clump and twirl, spinning, rolling, flags unfurl. Monkey tickles, spins around, kids fall softly on the ground. Then they rise and laugh some more, fun and joy they all adore. Swinging high, sliding down, monkey wears a leafy crown. Kids mimic, run and hop, joyful fun will never stop. Fruits thrown gently in the air, caught with care everywhere. Sharing laughs, playing along, happy hearts sing a song. Climbing trees, monkeys swing, kids try jumps and start to sing. Round and round in loops they play, fun adventures fill the day. Monkey hides, peekaboo, kids search high, search low too. Chasing, laughing, run and spin, crave for hearts feel joy within. Swing, slide, run and jump, giggles and laughter go thump thump. Monkeys roll and flip around, kids imitate without a sound. Throwing fruits, hats flying high, kids catch some, oh my oh my. Sharing, laughing, playing fair, learning kindness everywhere. Monkey waves, kids wave back, lesson learned, fun on track. Be hateful, gentle and full of glee, happiness grows for all to see. Jump, swing, spin and run, keep all fun is full of sun. Help your friends, don't make a mess, sharing love brings happiness. Laugh and giggle, play with care, be gentle, kind and always fair. Monkey shows us games are fun, but safety and kindness come first. Everyone take turns, share, don't push or fight, play together, do what's right. Fun is happy, fun is free, joy grows when you play kindly. Slide, swing, jump and spin, giggles, laughter, fun within. Monkey's day is full of cheer, happy memories stay near.
Thanks for watching Kiss and Kids! See you next time!